Hey everyone, it's me again. Anyway, Black. Oh Lord. Anyway, Black Swan. Girl, I'm in between a hair video and I twisted up my hair. This bonnet don't want to cooperate. I wanted to go ahead and do the eyeshadow look with this new eyeshadow that I got from Colourpop. Because I was gonna do a look anyway for my makeup video. I mean, not makeup video, for my wig review, as you can see. So I decided to record it. Okay. Colourpop, they sent me some PR, and it's from their That's Taupe collection. But this stuff, I'm probably gonna keep the packaging because I personally I like neutral tone packaging, home decor, clothing, all that kind of stuff. I love the, like, you know, kind of washed out nude type of colors. So and then the packaging has snakes print on. What is wrong with my mouth today? The packaging has snake print on it, and I like that too. So the combination of both is like. So anyway, they sent me this glow oil. I'm probably not going to use this in this video because it's just going to be an eye look. So they sent me the glow oil from their umbrella company, Soul Body. And then I got some, like, what's the pencil like? I got some lip pencils. Let me see. I got these lip pencils. I love it because everything is just this really pretty nude neutral color. Okay, so this is the two colors from the lip pencils, and these lip pencils are, one is Ashton and the other one is Cool BFF. And as you can see, like, the Cool BFF is obviously the lighter of the two. And then they sent me also this eyeshadow palette, which I'll be using in this video. Really cute. So these are some of the colors from the eyeshadow. Pretty, right? And then, you know what, let me smear. Oh, okay, they pick up kind of nice. They pick up good. Because, you know, when you swatch on your fingers, of course, like, the palm of your hand is going to pick up color significantly differently than your eyelid. So the closer you can get from, like, doing an accurate swatch is one swipe on the back of your hand, so you can kind of see if that's gonna work out or not. And even that, sometimes people be finessing because, you know. They also sent me these Color Shock eyeshadows in the color Ritz and Couche. So these two were broken during the delivery. First of all, I was not sitting that far from my door. They threw the box at my door because I heard come. And I was like, are you kidding me? Why are you throwing makeup around? And this is like from UPS. Okay, and then I also got these two High Shine glossy lips. Yeah, it's like a tinted one and that's a clear one. So these right here, really nice. And then they also gave me two more Super Shock cheek highlights. These are really cute. This is Out of Quartz, and then this other one is Seismic. I don't know how to say words. It's Seismic. I feel like I know this word, but I don't know this word. Then it's late at night too. My brain is not functioning on that level. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an eyeshadow look because I already have the rest of my face done. And so let's see if Colourpop can, like, come through and pull through with, you know. What I'm thinking is, I'm not going to talk through this tutorial because I honestly don't know what I'm going to create. So it's probably, from after this point, I'm probably going to do a voiceover and just tell y'all. Sorry, that's my baby cooing in the background. You good? You want to be on the video? What's going on with you? So I'm not sure what kind of look I'm gonna do. I really don't, but I know I want to use this right here first. This matte color, and then we'll see what I can conjure up. So therefore, that's why I'm gonna do the voiceover. So yeah, I don't know. I hope this video don't turn out to be a flop, because I don't feel like taking off this makeup. Okay, starting out with the color Bedrock, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into my crease and the outer corner of my eye using a round, fluffy, detailed brush. I got that brush from Ulta, just in case you want to know. Also, the next color is Python. I'm taking Python and I'm moving that as a transition color into my brow bone. And then I'm taking the color Boa, B-O-A, I might be saying it wrong, and I'm going to pat that and blend that into my brow bone to give my brow bone like a nice little pop of definition. Next, I will be taking my e.l.f. concealer and making a cut crease. I just figured that a cut crease is just a safe bet when it comes to this look, because I still didn't know where I was going with this look at this point. And I am using a flat round brush to pat this concealer on, and also the tip of it, I pinched the brush, so I'm taking the tip and tracing out the outer corner of the cut crease. It's kind of hard to do it on camera, as you can see. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to start to pack on Rocksteady with the same brush. I just wiped it off with a napkin. I didn't feel like cleaning any extra brushes if I didn't have to. So I'm taking that and I'm slightly dusting it onto my eye line, and it's gonna work as like kind of like an eyeliner type of transition. And then they have this really pretty pressed pigmented slated within the palette, and I'm taking another small detail brush, and I actually think this is a lip brush. I think it's a lip brush, but I always use that as like a brush to pack on eyeshadow. I don't know why, but it works. So after doing all that, I'm going to take that same detail brush, clean it off with a napkin, go back and smooth out, buff out any lines that I see in the eyeshadow look. And then also to give the look a little more definition and drama, I'm taking the pointy part of my round flat detail brush, and I'm just stamping the line that's in between the cut crease and the transition into my crease. So I'm just doing that, and I wish that part would have came out better, but you know, we're just exploring right now, I guess. So after doing all that, I did need to go back and clean it up with that same detail brush and slated, and there you go. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye, and then as I was doing it, I really wasn't liking the way the eyeshadow was looking. So what I did was I just went ahead and took off the end. I just buffed out that line that I made with the concealer, and then just left it like that, because I really wasn't feeling the way this eyeshadow was going. But so far, I do like the eyeshadow. It's pretty much giving me gray colors on my skin tone. It doesn't look very much different. It's all basically giving me a gray tone. Can you kind of see? It's just kind of like light gray, dark gray. But on my skin tone, if I was lighter, I have a feeling that it would be more true to color. But on me, it's looking all gray. It's looking all the same, you know, just like lighter or darker gray. So whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on, and then show y'all the end result of the look, and then I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Okay, so I went ahead and added lashes to this look. I really don't like it. I really don't like this look. I got bored and over it, so I started eating Rice Krispie treats. So my complaint with this eyeshadow palette is that the dark color, the darkest colors on here, this dark color right here, it doesn't blend out smoothly. All three of these light colors, I feel like on my skin tone and darker, it's not going to show up predominantly. Like, it's not going to have high pigment. It doesn't have high pigment, period. The dark color, it has high pigment, but the color does not, it's not true to color from the packet translating onto your eyelids. Because as you can see, when I put it on, it gives off a gray look. And on here, on the eyeshadow palette, it clearly, even on camera, it clearly looks, this color right here, it clearly looks more brown, okay? But on my eyes, it just looks gray. So that's the frustrating part of neutral palettes like this, is that it doesn't translate onto deeper skin tones. This is not the only neutral palette that has done this to me, but I mean, I guess at this point it's like how to pop for the course. So that's my biggest complaint, is that they're just not translating onto my skin tone. I'm not sure what it is, why. I wonder, I'm gonna have to look up some videos. I'm gonna look up some videos with lighter skinned people, maybe people who are non-people of color who are wearing this, and then see like how it translates onto their skin. But other than that, it was that. Let me see if I can zoom this in. Other than that, everything else about it is fine. Everything else is fine. It performed the way it was supposed to perform. It's just the colors just don't look the same on me. Like, I thought this was gonna be more of a deeper brown than the gray, and it's giving me a lot of gray vibes. It's giving me a lot of mauve and gray vibes that I'm getting from this palette. Other than that, it's a cute palette. I mean, the packaging is really nice. You can't see it, but it's like a kind of like a foil on there too. It's like rose gold looking, super duper cute. But you know, a lot of y'all are not buying for the packaging, you're buying for the product. I'll let you judge on if you feel like it's worth the money or not. Me personally, Colourpop is affordable, so if you do decide to buy it, it's not like you're deciding between this and the bill. So it's not a sacrifice, you know what I mean? I feel like this would be an amazing present too. And then also, if you have somebody who's like a makeup beginner, throw one of these and like make the box all cute with like little nude pink tissue paper and some nude lipsticks and stuff like that. You let me know down in the comments what you think about this palette from your own personal experience or from watching this video. Let me give me your opinion, give me some feedback, because I don't know if I'm just, I don't want to force my opinion on you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up so I can jump off and finish my wig review. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.